Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by making the repair safe. Unplug the amplifier and discharge large caps with a resistor. Wear an ESD strap. Next, remove the chassis cover and inspect the power supply area for blown fuses, bulging capacitors, or scorch marks. These usually reveal the root cause. Use a multimeter in continuity mode to verify fuses and solder joints. Once you confirm a faulty component, note its specifications. Replace with identical voltage, capacitance, and ripple rating so the power stage remains stable. You now tackle the middle work. Remove faulty electrolytic capacitors, leaky diodes, or shorted transistors using controlled heat and proper desoldering tools. Take photos for orientation. Once components are out, install replacements observing polarity and thermal relief pads. Use fresh solder and flux, then trim leads and clean flux residue. After reassembly of the power supply, power up the amp through an isolation transformer, if possible, and measure DC rails. Make sure voltages match the service values before moving to the output stage. You finish by setting biases and offsets. Warm the amplifier to operating temperature, then measure idle current and adjust per the schematic to avoid thermal runaway. Next, attach a proper dummy load and play a steady test tone at low level while monitoring for hum, distortion, or overheating. If you still see problems, make sure you rechecked solder joints, component orientations, and heatsink thermal paste or pads. Often a cold joint or reversed part is the last culprit. Fix that and verify operation again.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.